I vacuumed really good. I got the corners in there, got in there. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and I talk about frugal living, fitness motivation, and minimalism. In this video, we're going to be talking about how I organized my closet. So let's get started. I know that organizing your closet can be intimidating, or any space for that matter, but one of the things we can take advantage of during this COVID time and being at home all the time is organizing some of those spaces we've been putting off. So this is what I did to organize my closet. The first thing I did, I took everything out of my closet. Took it all out, the shoes, the clothes, the coat hangers, everything. Took it all out and I put everything on my bed. The next thing I did is I cleaned my closet really well. So the cobwebs, I wiped down all the surfaces, the racks, I vacuumed really good. I got the corners in there, got in there. So take your clothes out and then clean the closet, top to bottom, even the ceiling. Once the closet is cleared out, everything's clean, the next thing I did is I visualized where I wanted everything to go. So if you want to change where you have your work clothes or your nice clothes, this is an opportunity to envision your space. And to do this, you might want to purchase or reuse some kind of organization techniques in your space. So if you have boxes or any kind of shelving unit in another space, this is the time to put it where you want it. So in my case, I had this kind of shelf rack thing and I put it together and I put it in the middle of my closet. So I knew I wanted to work around this shelving thing, so I took this opportunity to insert it into the closet at this time. Next thing I did, once my closet was prepped and ready, is I went through everything that was on my bed. Clothes, the shoes, the scarves, the swimsuits, everything that had been in my closet or everything that I wanted to go in my closet, this is where I sorted it. So I made 3 piles and I had keep, donate/sell, and trash. So, and I think I've got a picture I can show you over here of what I had. Once I had everything sorted, I started putting things back in my closet, and I did this by priority. So I put my uniforms in, my nice clothes, the clothes I know I'm gonna wear, I put all those in, and then all the things I don't wear as often, like, when I travel, then I put those things in, and I think I've got a hat and some purses that I hardly ever use, but I find value, or it's sentimental, or I'll use them sometimes. I kept them. So that's kind of the order I put things into my closet, was category and priority. When I was putting these things back in my closet, I wanted everything. I wanted to see everything, and I wanted it to be appealing to look at. Another thing I did is I use dry cleaning a lot with my uniforms. So I replaced the dry cleaning coat hangers, those metal ones, and I used white coat hangers. So I recommend using the same coat hanger for everything. Don't have different colors in that. Same coat hanger. And after I did that, I spaced them out, so I was able to put like 1 finger at least in between each coat hanger. The last thing I did is I used foam noodles, like for the pool. I cut them to the length of my boots. So for the boots that kind of flop over and don't stand up on their own, I cut foam noodles to the length that I needed for them to stand up on their own, and I put them wherever I wanted them to go. Like if I wanted them on the carpet, they could stand up on the carpet. I think I put a set up at the top, so I put foam noodles up and I put them up on the top. So guys, I hope this motivated you to clean out your closet, or any space for that matter. I also reorganized my kitchen, and let me know if you want to see pictures of that and how I went through the organization process of the kitchen, because it was intense. Let me know what your thoughts are on these, if you have any tips you want to share, and I'll see you next time. Bye.